అందరికీ నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ టు సుమన్ టీవీ కరీంనగర్. నేను మీ సోనీ పటేల్. ఈ రోజు మనం కరీంనగర్ లో ఉన్న ఐవీవై ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ యాన్యువల్ డే ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో ఉన్నాం. చాలా అంగరంగ వైభవంగా ఘనంగా చేస్తున్నారు. అసలు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎలా జరుగుతుందో చూద్దాం పదండి.
The discipline, team player, okay, overall the sports naturally, okay, and all the extracurricular activities, Olympiads, we have considered everything. And I will tell you, there are at least dozen students who are fairly close and probably missed out by half and at one point. So there are a lot of students. It was very difficult to select one. I can name like from each grade 3 or 4 students who were like really close. But we wanted to establish this going forward. It has to be that competition, right? Healthy competition. And also from next year on, we will start a student of the month, rolling up onto the year so that there is constant encouragement. And also we will have a clear, transparent process communicated to parents also. But trust me, we have taken a lot of effort. And there is work of like almost a week, 10 days to gather all the data to select one student of the year. But I will tell you, there are more than 38 students who are A+ in all the subjects throughout the year. It is an amazing accomplishment.
Actually 6 years నుంచి రన్ అవుతుందంట ఈ స్కూల్. ఇంకా హైయర్ గా కూడా ఉంటుందంట. ఇది బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ చూసుకున్నట్టయితే ఈ స్టేజ్ బ్యాక్ సైడే న్యూ క్యాంపస్, న్యూ క్యాంపస్ ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారంట. ఇంకా ప్రెసెంట్ అయితే గ్రేడ్ 5th వరకే ఉంది. అలాగే మనతో పాటు చేసిన పిల్లలు కూడా ఉన్నారు.
for providing quality education in smaller cities in India. Belonging to your family of educationists in Karaikal, sharing his knowledge with school and engineering college students comes to me naturally. Amongst the project initiated by him, Sir is most proud of establishing an alumni association for St. John's High School, a 60-year-old institution in Karaikal. IB International, a quality-driven institution, is his brainchild, which persuaded Sir to leave behind 20 years of IT experience with large strategic IT programs. With a penchant for community service, Sir has become the
I'm so happy that you're covering us today. Thank you so much for covering us, and welcome to our annual day. So coming to our school, what do I say? I mean, you can already see the Facebook campus is being constructed. We're going to have so many field training
maybe that was not the purpose of my
CBSE level.
So I think the purpose of my
Besides the curriculum, we also have clubs every Saturday. Clubs help get the different interests of our students. Monitors club, cable student interest club, good at singing. Then we have Nature's club, good people.
So I
some people are also social, apart from the academics, we have every day around 3:30. There is special coaching given to students. Depending on the academics, we give
But it took me a while, and I realized that maybe it's not that the luxury musical artist life that we have in the US was not really what I was about.
Like we have innovation.
I believe the kids in India, our children in India, we are gifted very well academically, we are very strong. But what we always, especially in my IT career, I used to work with a lot of young professionals.
It's just not subject.
I was working with some of the top when the new recruits coming in, we see how very strong.
That's how vibrant I is. Yes, and as you can see, we have good audience today from US and
I thought they would
which are the highest sneaked colleges in the world. And Sir has
so
spent 20
therefore,
years
the
in
urge to actually have
the urge or the passion of him to take our school to that level, Ivy League level. So we have brought that.
Parents, I request everyone to give him a big round of applause. I would like to hear claps from the parents.
మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు IVY ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇయర్
Sheetan Krishna.
Sheetan Krishna. Hi Sheetan Krishna. How are you? ఏ గ్రేడ్ నువ్వు? ఓకే, ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నావు? హ్యాపీయా? సో హ్యాపీయా? కొంచెం హ్యాపీయా? వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఓ నైస్. హై ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నావు? స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇయర్. నామ్ నిత్యానా టాలెంట్ సాంగ్ క్లాసికల్ సాంగ్. ఓకే. इसमें बहुत
of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Into fragments by narrow domestic walls, into that heaven of freedom, my father.